This video is for educational purposes only. Use these tools responsibly. Imagine someone finding your name, address, and social media just from your phone number. Sounds like a movie, right? Today, I'll show you 10 free tools that make it possible. We're diving into OSINT, open source intelligence, and I'll demo each tool live. We'll use a burner number and see how much we can uncover in minutes. The results will surprise you. Companies pay thousands for this info, but you'll learn it here for free. Ready to see how exposed your number really is? Let's get started. Grab some popcorn and let's jump into our first tool. First up is Truecaller, a tool you might already have but probably underestimate. It's not just for blocking spam, it's a massive crowdsourced phone book. When you use it, your contacts join their database, making it a goldmine for investigators. Just visit their website, sign in and search any number. I'll enter our burner number now. Instantly, Truecaller suggests a name, sometimes the real one, sometimes what others saved it as. This is our first clue, a potential identity. Even if it's a nickname, it's a lead to cross-reference. Think about it, a missed call, a quick search, and suddenly you have a name. For us, this is the first breadcrumb. We started with digits, now we have a person. This is just the beginning. Each tool will build on this info, creating a detailed profile. Remember this name, it'll connect everything else. On to the next tool. Next is NumLookup, a free, no sign-up reverse phone lookup. Investigators love it for its speed and anonymity. Enter the number, hit search, and see what comes up. For our burner, NumLookup confirms the name from Truecaller and tells us it's a wireless number. Knowing it's mobile, not landline or VoIP, narrows our search. This is how OSINT works. One tool gives a name, another confirms it and adds detail. We're building a profile piece by piece. NumLookup is accessible from any device, leaving no trace. In minutes, we've confirmed a name and line type, free. Each tool strengthens our findings. Ready for the next one? Let's keep going. On to tool 3. Tool 3 is sync.me, similar to Truecaller, but with different data sources. Its reverse lookup can reveal info others miss. Enter the number, and sometimes you'll get more than a name, like a profile picture. For our burner, sync.me pulls the same name and a profile photo. Now we have a face to go with the name. This is huge. A face lets us run reverse image searches and find more social accounts. One photo can unlock a whole online identity. OSINT is about connecting these dots. The picture could be old or fake, but it's a strong lead. In under 10 minutes, we have a name, line type, and a face. The digital trail is growing. Let's see if we can get direct confirmation from the source. Next up, SpyDialer. SpyDialer is a favorite for one reason. It lets you hear a number's voicemail greeting without calling. No missed calls, no alerts, completely stealthy. Enter the number, and SpyDialer connects to the voicemail. We hear, "You've reached name," direct confirmation of our earlier findings. Now we have the name, face, and voice. This is real-world verification, not just database info. A custom voicemail greeting is hard to fake. SpyDialer sometimes pulls social photos or offers address searches, but the free voicemail check is the real gem. We've confirmed the number is active and tied to our target. Each tool adds another layer of certainty. Our case is getting stronger. Let's expand our search with a master resource. Next, the OSINT Framework. Ready to go deeper? Let's do it. Tool 5 is the OSINT Framework, a roadmap to hundreds of investigation tools. It doesn't search for you, but organizes resources by category: phone numbers, emails, usernames, and more. Click telephone number, and you'll see links to reverse lookups, carrier checks, and directories. If one tool fails, you have dozens more to try. It's your mission control for digital investigations. Bookmark this site. It's constantly updated by the OSINT community. For our search, it ensures we never hit a dead end. Need carrier info? There's a section for that. The framework keeps you strategic and efficient. It's the ultimate cheat sheet for investigators. Now let's try a more technical tool used by pros. Next up, PhoneInfoga. Let's get technical. Tool 6 is PhoneInfoga, an advanced open source tool you run from your computer. It's what real hackers use. Command line, fast and powerful. Install it from GitHub, then scan a number with a simple command. PhoneInfoga checks dozens of sources at once: country, carrier, line type, and linked accounts. For our burner, it confirms T-Mobile as the carrier and mobile line type. It also scans for social media and web accounts tied to the number. You might find old forum profiles or forgotten accounts. This is deep OSINT, automated, thorough, and customizable. Now we know the name, face, voice, and carrier. The profile is getting clearer. For serious investigations, this tool is a must. Let's see what global tools can add. Onto EmobileTracker. Tool 7, EmobileTracker, works worldwide, great for international numbers. It reveals the carrier and region where a number is registered. Enter the number, no country code, and it confirms T-Mobile and USA for our burner. For international cases, it can pinpoint city and state. It's especially useful for spotting scam calls from abroad. If a number's from a known scam region, you know to block it. For us, it's another confirmation of carrier and country. Each independent match strengthens our evidence. OSINT is about consensus, not just one source. Let's get even more specific with carrier details. Next, FreeCarrierLookup. Tool 8, FreeCarrierLookup, specializes in carrier and line type info. Enter the number, solve a CAPTCHA, and get instant results. It confirms T-Mobile USA wireless line and even gives SMS, MMS gateway addresses. These gateways let you send emails as texts, an advanced trick. Knowing the exact carrier is crucial for both investigators and scammers. Tailored phishing attacks are more convincing with this info. We've moved from basic details to deep technical data. Each layer brings us closer to the full picture. Now let's connect this number to social media, ready to find their online life. Let's go. Tool 9, Social Searcher, hunts for social media profiles linked to a name or info from a phone number. Search the name we found earlier. It scans Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Sometimes you can use forgot password on sites to reveal partial names or photos tied to a number. For our burner, Social Searcher finds several profiles. We compare profile pictures and, bingo, a Twitter account matches the photo from sync.me. Now we have a direct link from the number to a real social account. From here we can see tweets, friends, interests, a goldmine of personal info. One profile often leads to others through usernames or photos. The digital trail is now a social map. We've bridged the gap from anonymous number to public persona. This is a turning point in any investigation. Let's see what public records can add. Next, BeenVerified. Our final tool is BeenVerified, a freemium public record search. Even the free version can reveal valuable clues. It scans court records, property filings, and more for any mention of the number. Enter the number, and you'll see teaser's possible owner, location history, and relatives. It confirms the city and state, matching our earlier findings. The full report is paid, but even the preview is powerful. This is how you move from online data to real-world info. We've built a profile name, face, voice, carrier, social media, and now a likely location, all with free OSINT tools. The power and risk of public data is real. Let's wrap up. 10 free tools, 1 phone number, and a complete personal profile. We found a name, face, voice, carrier, social media, and location, just from digits. This isn't hacker magic. It's today's digital reality. Use this knowledge to protect yourself. See what's out there about you and lock it down. Always use these tools ethically and legally. Information is power. Use it wisely. If you learned something, hit like, share, and subscribe for more OSINT tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.